Next we have Gore winter wheat, which is a soft red winter wheat. I believe it was developed in Georgia. It's pretty extensively used throughout the South. We wouldn't necessarily use it here in Nebraska because I always worry a little bit about its winter hardiness. It seemed to do real well up here this year, but it's definitely one of the popular graze out wheats down south.
And one of the benefits of Gore and a lot of other soft wheats is that number one, they tend to be a little more disease resistant if you plant them early for grazing, compared to our hard red winter wheats, which we try to observe the Hessian fly-free date, not plant them too early because they tend to get vector-borne diseases like wheat streak mosaic and barley yellow dwarf and those sort of things. But another real benefit, as you can see, if we can get this, is that the absence of a beard. Now, this doesn't make a difference until the plants head out, obviously, but after heading out, in a year like this one, where things have just come on so slow and people are desperate for forage, a lot of people are staying on their winter cereals longer than they anticipated, this is still going to be much more palatable than something with a beard on it.
And even if, for putting up hay, as we'll see as we move through the triticales, there's a difference there as well.